Back part 5. Now I'm going to kind of go like 1, 2, skip a few in terms of like opening procedures and stuff like that when we open this place. But you know, once we found the place, once we found the space, once we agreed the lease and the price and all that kind of stuff, yeah, we just sort of we were given a date. We started moving our stuff in, and we just did it quite gradually, to be honest. Space is about 3,000 square foot. The lease is 10k plus VAT. You got to pay your business rates on top of that, but we count as a small business, so we don't, because our revenue is not high enough, the space isn't big enough, the rateable value on the business isn't big enough, so we've got business rates exemption for those people who can ask these sort of questions. And we need to pay our buildings insurance through the letting agents, which is a one-off fee over the year, which is just over £1,000. It's a lot, but you know, it's the equivalent of about 100 quid a month, which is not terrible, but it's in one go. That's a bit annoying. And then obviously just got contents insurance for the stuff that's in here. So yeah, that's your financial sort of breakdown very, very quickly. Oh yeah, and the bill is for electric each month, because there's no gas in here, it's electric only. But at the minute, because we're only operating, I mean, it's a full-time thing, we've got people that we start running classes and stuff like that, but I mean, we're not in here that much, so at the minute our electric's like 50 quid a month, 40 quid a month, depends what we turn on or not, you know. It's not a lot, not really, okay, not in the current market. But I want to do a quick thing about how we opened, okay? Because we're not a new business, it meant that we didn't need to like panic and go, oh my goodness, we've got to open a shed load of classes, we've got to get 1 million people to join in the first week. Oh my God, 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 oh my God. Yeah, it didn't need to be that. So we had what essentially was like a really gentle, calm opening procedure for this place. Okay, so we've got a club. The club exists. It's, like I say, around all the satellite locations. We've got about 260 something students scattered around Leicestershire. So we just got the place ready as it needed to be, so we could hold classes. So make sure it was clean, make sure that our mats were down, the equipment was ready, the toilets were working, nothing leaked, apart from the ceiling, which we got fixed, which was a pain in the butt. Yeah, but we got to say, we have opened this place. Here are some classes. If you would like to come and use them as part of your full membership, please do.